Hi, my name's Derek. I'm a guru here at London Gatwick's Electric Forecourt, and today I'm going to show you how to charge your electric vehicle. So, we are a stone's throw away from London Gatwick's South Terminal, which means whether you're on holiday or work locally, we can support you in your electric vehicle journey. We have everything from AC low power chargers, Tesla superchargers, and our very own 350 kilowatt chargers, capable of adding 100 miles to the latest models in under 10 minutes. Fortunately, charging on any GRIDSERVE Electric Highway charging device is the same two-step process. You simply plug in and pay. To demonstrate, I'm going to show you how to charge using one of our 350 kilowatt capable high-powered chargers. This MG4 uses what is known as a CCS connector, which most electric cars use, although some do use the blue shadow mode connectors. So first, we open our charging flap, we grab our CCS connector, plug it in, and step one, done. Step two is payment. All of our GRIDSERVE chargers feature these contactless payment panels, which accept debit card, credit card, Apple Pay and Google Pay, so you can pay with your card, your phone, or even your watch. As you can see, it is now asking me to pay for my session, so we'll tap my card, wait for the beep, and then we're good. And now you can hear all the clinks and clunks as its safety tests are being completed. That is perfectly normal. And then we are charging. Whenever you want to end your charge, simply place your card against the payment terminal one more time and your charge will stop. Return the cable to the holster and you're done. And if you want to get a receipt, visit gridserve.com/receipt. It's important to note that although these chargers are capable of delivering 350 kilowatts, the rate of your charge will actually be dictated by your own car. And now it's time for you to recharge. Grab a coffee, have a snack, or just chill out in our lounge area upstairs. We look forward to seeing you soon.